As the soil is warming up, it's a good idea to sow your first batch of peas now. Prepare the soil and then draw a wide drill, about 6 inches wide and 2 inches deep. Sow the peas 2 inches apart in 2 parallel rows. Cover them over, label them, and then as the shoots appear, you can place in some support. Bedding plants of all kinds are starting to appear in garden centres and nurseries. And if you buy them now as plugs, particularly tender plants that are not ready to put out yet, but pot them on and then grow them with a little bit of protection, you can plant them out after the last frost as much larger, healthier plants that will both save you money and give you a head start. Gladioli make spectacular border plants, but they're also superb as cut flowers. Run a deep drill and line the bottom with some horticultural grit to ensure good drainage. Place the corms about 9 inches to a foot apart and then cover them over with plenty of soil. And then they will appear in a row and can be harvested as a crop for the house.